Ayubowan. Welcome to Heritance Ayurvedic Resort, Sri Lanka. My name is Niroshan Jayakodi. I'm the resident manager of this authentic Ayurvedic resort. Heritance Ayurveda is much more than the resort, the sanctuary for wellness. The property features a seamless blend of modern comfort with authentic traditional influences. Each corner is designed to provide a truly holistic experience for our guests. Starting with quick walk to the treatment center. In order to create a personalized plan, guests will first have a consultation with our Ayurvedic doctor. Our treatments are selected following the diagnosis that addresses the root cause, ensuring the lasting healing rather than relief of symptoms. Our treatments are aligned to mind, body, and soul. 4 to 6 treatments are assigned for each person daily, and the dietary plan is drawn up. Treatments are conducted in 3 phases with the guests to ensure that the practices could be followed even after the program. As Heritance Ayurveda focus on the preventive treatments, we use Panchakarma to eliminate toxic elements from the body. Herbal and oil-based treatments are constructed following ancient practices with high-quality ingredients. Herbs are gathered from our organic garden or imported. Food plays a vital role in our wellness philosophy. We offer an array of Ayurvedic dishes crafted from fresh, locally sourced ingredients, ensuring a wholesome culinary journey. Fruit prepare is based on 3 body types: Vata, Pitta, Kapha, guided by our nutritionist who will inform our guests on how we are, what we eat. At Heritance Ayurveda, we also offer yoga, meditation, and other form of peaceful recreation to support the wellness journey. Our accommodations are designed to be tranquil havens, providing a peaceful retreat to recharge. You may also take a walk through our organic garden to see our fresh produce that make its way to your plate. To enhance your stay with us, you may also learn about Sri Lankan craft from local artisans visiting the property. So thank you for joining me on this tour of Heritance Ayurveda. I hope you have enjoyed getting glimpse of what makes our Sri Lankan resort truly special. We look forward to welcoming you here for an unforgettable, authentic Ayurvedic wellness experience.